Said I'm floating in space and I'm searching for gravity. There is no peace against humanity. All I can see be a war and animosity. Where is the love? Where is the sanity? Gravity, where are you? Gravity, where are you?
Matterhorn. Yeah, man. I like a recent alive. I never know if alive. I think alive. I like a recent video where you put out where you say, are you alone make bounty killer vice on Sunday? You understand? Yes, man. Probably a true your talk, you know? Probably a true your talk. Young bounty killer was close brethren like that, you know? But Matterhorn, when me do this vlog you find is to make you know, say, you see whatever your bounty killer have, you don't need to sort it out. You understand? Your bounty killer need to sort out this problem. I don't want to see you come back on the net and talk bad about bounty. And I know bounty not talk bad about you. You understand? So, just try sort out whatever difference you have and make the thing run back like 90s. You understand? Yes. That me have to say. I like the unity. Unity of strength. You understand? So Matterhorn, you know what to do. Link the general. You understand? Because remember, a man and a woman and a man and man. You understand? So make the link. Link up back with the general. Sort out back your thing. Get some more dub plate them and touch back your road again. And to the young artists them out there, we are wall off by Matterhorn. Matterhorn a veteran in the business. Matterhorn a legend selector. When I run some dub plate for Matterhorn, make him do him thing. You understand? Right this right there. Nowhere else.